Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best desktop mini PC in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these desktop mini PC, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M2. Best desktop mini PC. Apple outdid itself with the Mac Mini M2, $599, a pint-sized powerhouse that's cheaper and faster than its predecessor thanks to the speedy M2 chip. The option to upgrade it with an M2 Pro, $1,299, sweetens the deal, turning this into a decent Mac for gaming or light photo/video editing. Of course, you get more than just speed when you pay for Pro. The entry-level Mac Mini with M2 Pro is not only more powerful, it also has more memory and storage than the entry-level Mac Mini, as well as more ports. It's a great mini PC for Mac fans, one that showcases macOS Ventura to good effect. Reasons to buy: powerful, especially with M2 Pro. Small, quiet, and looks good on a desk. $100 cheaper than predecessor. Reasons to avoid: not user repairable or upgradable. Number 2. Apple Mac Studio. The best mini PC for macOS fans. The Mac Studio can deliver more power than any Apple computer on the market save the Mac Pro, and it packs it all into a quiet, well-designed chassis that looks good on a desk. As much as we love seeing Apple Silicon put to good use in MacBooks, where its power efficiency helps deliver some of the best battery life in the business, the Mac Studio with Mon Ultra proves that Apple's chips have the chops to compete with the best desktop PC silicon from Intel and AMD. Of course, since this is Apple we're talking about, you'll pay for the privilege. The Mac Studio's $1,999 starting price isn't too bad, but that gets you the entry-level model with the same Mon Max chip that's in the 2021 MacBook Pros. To get a Mac Studio with Apple's top-of-the-line Mon Ultra chip will cost you at least $4, though it's worth it if you want one of the fastest, most powerful Macs on the market. Reasons to buy: blazing fast performance from Mon Ultra. Great design. Plenty of ports. Whisper quiet. Reasons to avoid: expensive for what you get, especially at the high end. Number 3. Geekom Mini IT8. The best mini PC for tinkerers. While this affordable mini PC packs an older 8th Gen Intel Coffee Lake CPU, it still has more than enough power for day-to-day tasks. From web browsing to word processing, the Mini IT8 is quite up to what most people need. The Geekom Mini IT8 is also VS mountable, meaning that you can slap it on the back of your monitor for clean desk. And while getting Windows 11 Pro pre-installed is awesome, our mind immediately begins to dream about what you can do with it if you turn this mini PC into, say, a streaming media hub or virtualization host for your home network. You can install Linux or whatever you want on the Mini IT8, making it a great mini PC for tinkerers and enthusiasts. Reasons to buy: very affordable for what you get. Lots of desktop and server applications. Decent performance. Support for up to 4 monitors. Ships with Windows 11 Pro. Reasons to avoid: older CPU. Lackluster GPU. Cases of fingerprint magnet. Number 4. Intel Hades Canyon NUC. Best mini PC for gaming. Intel's Hades Canyon NUC is a mini PC that delivers desktop gaming-grade performance in a chassis that's about the size of a book. Thanks to its Intel Core i7 8009G/AMD Radeon RX Vega NGH hybrid chip, which combines processing and discrete graphics on a single chip, the Hades Canyon NUC can handle AA games and VR in a small, black brick that can be tucked into backpack or added to a home entertainment center. Despite its small size, the Hades Canyon NUC is loaded with ports, including Thunderbolt 3 ports and HDMI output. If you buy the barebones kit, you'll need to provide memory and storage, and your own installation of Windows, but this pint-sized gaming machine can go toe-to-toe with an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti-powered gaming tower, and it even handled a bit of VR. It's the best mini PC you can get for gaming without compromise. Reasons to buy: impressive graphics performance. Compact, attractive design. Tons of ports. Customizable RGB lighting. Reasons to avoid: expensive after adding parts. Number 5. Intel NUC9 Pro. The best workstation mini PC. The Intel NUC9 Pro is a workstation mini PC that offers huge power and a surprising amount of upgradability. A workstation desktop isn't an uncommon offering in the PC world, as they are the standard for many computationally demanding uses, ranging from architecture to animation. What is unusual is to see that level of performance packed into a tiny design that's smaller than a 5-liter SFF desktop. Throw in room for huge amounts of RAM, and it drives it up to an 8-inch graphics card, and the Intel NUC9 Pro is a rare beast indeed. And that's before discussing Intel's innovative compute element motherboard, which weds the modularity of the motherboard with the built-in cooling and self-contained design of a GPU to create a unique basis for a truly potent PC. Add it all up, and it's definitely the best workstation available in mini PC today. Reasons to buy: powerful workstation processing and graphics, compact size with great port selection and upgradability, innovative tech inside. Reasons to avoid: seriously expensive, vertical orientation only. Number 6. Dell OptiPlex 7070 Ultra, the best mini PC for the office. Our new favorite office desktop does a cool disappearing trick, with a funky design that hides the powerful mini PC inside a specially designed monitor stand that turns it into a low-profile all-in-one PC. Packing plenty of capability into its tiny size and offering a modular solution for offices that want to upgrade often, the Dell OptiPlex 7070 Ultra is a cool twist on the mini PC in the workplace. The mini PC itself is so slim it might get mistaken for a laptop battery pack or a desktop dock, but inside it boasts an Intel Core processor, up to 64 GB of RAM and as much as 1 TB of storage. It has plenty of ports and performance that puts it squarely among the best productivity-focused mini PC you can buy. Reasons to buy: great performance, mini PC meets all-in-one desktop, excellent port selection, dizzying number of configurations and coverage plans. Reasons to avoid: locks you into a new, untried ecosystem. Setup is a pain. Number 7. Acer Chromebox CXi3, best Chrome desktop mini PC. The Acer Chromebox CXi3 may be the best desktop version of Chrome OS available. Made for use in the classroom or in the office, the Chromebox CXi3 delivers everything that's great about Chrome: ease of use, simple security, and all the online capability you want, in a mini PC that boasts great features and performance. The compact Chromebox can be mounted almost anywhere and boasts plenty of ports, including several USB 3.0 ports, HDMI output, and a USB-C port. Our model was outfitted with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 64 GB SSD, combining to offer speedy performance and easy multitasking. Plus, it's cheaper than any similarly equipped Windows machine. For one of the best mini PC designs without the bloat of Windows, there's no beating the Acer Chromebox CXi3. Reasons to buy: compact design, can be mounted or stashed out of sight, includes plenty of ports, has excellent performance, runs cool. Reasons to avoid: limitations of Chrome OS,